Join me as I put the top car vacuum cleaners to the test to find out which one really delivers the best detailing results. Start with a surprising fact about how much dirt can accumulate in a car, or ask viewers if they know how essential a good vacuum is for car detailing. There are many car detailing vacuum cleaners to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best car detailing vacuum cleaner from top brands that can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. The ergonomic self-standing design with integrated LED lights ensures convenient storage. Number 1. The Mahomo Cordless Vacuum Cleaner delivers exceptional cleaning performance with its powerful 650W brushless motor generating 55 kilopascal suction at 210,000 revolutions per minute, effortlessly tackling pet hair, crumbs, and dust while operating whisper quiet at under 58 dB. Equipped with 8 by 2,800 mAh lithium-ion batteries, it runs up to 70 minutes on a single charge, perfect for whole house cleaning sessions. The LED Smart Touchscreen provides intuitive control over suction modes and real-time battery monitoring, while the innovative V-shaped anti-tangle brush with comb structure prevents hair wrap-up and transitions seamlessly between hardwood and carpet. Its advanced cyclonic HEPA filtration system captures 99.99% of particles, and a generous 1.8-liter dust container reduces emptying frequency. Number 2. The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus Cordless Handheld Vacuum combines portability and power for effortless, everyday cleaning throughout your home and vehicle. Featuring a 16 VMAX lithium-ion battery, it delivers consistently strong suction through advanced cyclonic action that spins dust and debris away from the filter, making it highly effective on pet hair, dirt, and debris across multiple surfaces including carpets, furniture, and car interiors. The innovative 180 degrees rotating slim nozzle reaches tight spaces with ease, while the built-in pull-out crevice tool accesses narrow gaps between cushions and shelves, and the flip-up brush handles dusting tasks perfectly. Number 3. The Duck Compact Cordless Vacuum delivers ultra-powerful suction in a sleek, ultra-compact design, effortlessly picking up rice, crumbs, pet hair, and even small hardware like screws. Experience cordless freedom with its fully rechargeable battery, allowing seamless movement from room to room or into your car for quick cleanups. Equipped with versatile attachments, Duck tackles messes on any surface including kitchen counters, sofas, car interiors, and workshops, making it perfect for tight spaces and small cleanup jobs. Its lightweight, easy-to-handle design ensures convenient storage and operation, while the included charging cable keeps you ready for action whenever messes strike. Number 4. The KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner combines powerful 2-in-1 functionality as both a vacuum and air duster, effortlessly sucking up crumbs, dust, and pet hair while blowing away debris from hard-to-reach surfaces. Powered by a 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery with fast USB-C charging in just 3 hours, it offers eco-friendly convenience through car chargers, laptops, or power banks. Weighing only 0.72 pounds, this ultra-compact, lightweight design features an integrated LED light for cleaning dark spaces and night use. The one-click dismantling system and washable HEPA filter ensure effortless maintenance, while multiple detachable nozzle accessories make it perfect for keyboards, cars, furniture, and more. Number 5. The Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner delivers exceptional 20,000 pascal suction power in powerful mode and 13,000 pascals in eco mode, effortlessly capturing dust and debris from carpets, sofas, and car interiors while operating quietly under 65 dB. This versatile 4-in-1 multifunctional device handles blowing, suction, pumping, and inflating tasks with interchangeable nozzles, perfect for cleaning keyboards, inflating camping mattresses, and tackling outdoor adventures. Featuring dual reusable metal and HEPA filters with quick empty dustbin, USB-C fast charging in 2.5 hours provides 20 to 30 minutes runtime. Weighing just 0.93 pounds with cordless convenience and ergonomic one-handed design, It fits easily in glove boxes and includes a tactical storage bag for mission-ready portability. Number 6. The KMM Handheld Vacuum Cordless features an upgraded 110W brushless motor, delivering 3 adjustable suction modes, up to 16,000 PA, effortlessly removing pet hair, crumbs, and dust from car seats and sofas while operating quietly under 70 decibels. This versatile 4-in-1 design blows, vacuums, and pumps with multiple accessories, perfect for cleaning keyboards, inflating outdoor gear, and reaching tight spaces. Powered by a 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery providing 35 minutes runtime with USB-C fast charging in 4 hours, it weighs only 1 pound for ultimate portability with included storage bag. The washable HEPA filter and 400 milliliters transparent dust cup with swivel snap design ensure easy emptying and maintenance. Number 7. The Cordless Car Vacuum Cleaner delivers powerful 15,000 PA suction with 3 adjustable power levels, effortlessly clearing dirt, crumbs, and pet hair from car interiors and tight spaces. Featuring 10 versatile accessories including crevice tools, brush nozzles, and a flexible hose, it reaches under seats and hidden corners while doubling as an inflator for beach items and deflator for storage bags. Dual washable metal and paper filters maintain consistent airflow and trap debris effectively, reducing replacement costs and ensuring long-term performance. USB-C charging compatibility works with car chargers, power banks, or wall outlets, providing up to 30 minutes runtime on Eco mode, while the protective hardshell carry case keeps everything organized and ready. Number 8. The Yomo Electric Air Duster 2-in-1 Mini Vacuum Cleaner features dual blowing and sucking modes with powerful 21,000 PA suction and 210,000 revolutions per minute air duster capability, effortlessly eliminating pet hair, crumbs, dust, and debris from keyboards, cars, sofas, and electronic devices. Powered by a 9,000 mAh battery providing up to 40 minutes continuous runtime, with USB-C fast charging in 3 to 4 hours, it offers 3 adjustable wind speeds for versatile cleaning tasks. Weighing only 1.1 pounds and measuring 6.3 by 3.9 by 2.6 inches, this compact, portable device fits easily in backpacks or toolboxes, perfect for home, office, or car use with convenient trigger operation for effortless cleaning. Number 9. Introducing the Untitled Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner, a versatile 2-in-1 tool with both powerful suction, 16,000 pascals, and blowing functions. Perfect for cars, homes, and travel, it tackles dust, pet hair, and debris while also inflating items like pool toys. Its cordless, lightweight, 0.8 lb design and Type-C fast charging offer ultimate portability. Featuring a dual metal/HEPA filtration system and a 4,000 mAh battery for 30 minutes of runtime, it combines high-performance cleaning with easy maintenance and storage. Number 10. Meet the ultimate compressed air duster and vacuum, a versatile 2-in-1 tool for home, car, and office. This cordless device offers 3 speed modes, powerful suction to remove deep dirt and pet hair, and a strong blowing function for inflatables or BBQs. Rechargeable via USB-C with 30 to 40 minutes of runtime, it includes 6 nozzles, an LED light, and smart power indicators. Compact, eco-friendly, and packed with features, it efficiently replaces canned air for all your cleaning needs. Encourage viewers to comment on their favorite car vacuum. Subscribe for more detailing tips, and check out another video on car maintenance. All from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. What should be the price after verifying the right product quality, and what is the customer's demand? If you want to know product details or prices or need any other kind of information, please comment below. Any issue, stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.